Portable charger for gamers, Anker PowerCore Play Review. Title: Portable charger for gamers, Anker PowerCore Play Review. Introduction. In today's fast-paced world of gaming, having a reliable portable charger is essential for uninterrupted gameplay. The Anker PowerCore Play is a highly acclaimed choice in the gaming community. Designed specifically for gamers, it offers an impressive power capacity, multiple charging ports, and ergonomic features. In this review, we will delve deeper into the features and benefits of the Anker PowerCore Play, making it a must-have accessory for on-the-go gamers. Design and build quality. The Anker PowerCore Play showcases a sleek and compact design, weighing just over half a pound. Its pocket-friendly build ensures comfortable portability, making it ideal for gamers who are constantal. Why on the move? The device boasts a sturdy construction, with a padded grip for enhanced ergonomic support during extended gaming sessions. Its matte finish not only adds style but also prevents fade or prints, keeping the charger looking clean and professional. Power capacity. One of the standout features of the Anker PowerCore Play is its generous power capacity. Equipped with a massive 10,000 mAh battery, it can handle multiple charging cycles and provide hours of additional gameplay. This powerful charger can revive your gaming devices multiple times before requiring a recharge itself. With the ability to charge smartphones, tablets, and gaming consoles, the PowerCore Play ensures that gamers never have to worry about running out of battery life. Charging speed and ports. The Anker PowerCore Play features two distinct charging options, catering to a variety of gaming devices. The first option is a USB Type-C port which supports high-speed charging, allowing gamers to quickly recharge compatible devices. This port is particularly beneficial for gaming consoles as it minimizes downtime between gaming sessions. Moreover, the PowerCore Play also offers a USB Type-A port, enabling simultaneous charging of smartphones and other non-USB Type-C supported devices. Additional gaming features. Anker has gone above and beyond to incorporate gamer-friendly features into the PowerCore Play. The charger's design includes a detachable rubberized kickstand, ensuring a comfortable gaming experience. This kickstand allows gamers to prop up their smartphones or gaming consoles at an ideal viewing angle, minimizing strain on the wrists and neck. The adjustable angle feature further enhances the gaming experience, allowing players to find their optimal comfort level. LED indicator and safety features. The LED indicator featured on the Anker PowerCore Play provides a clear display of the remaining battery life, allowing gamers to monitor the charging status at a glance. This helpful feature eliminates any guesswork and ensures that users are always aware of the charger's power level. Furthermore, the PowerCore Play comes equipped with surge protection and temperature control mechanisms, guarding both the charger and the connected gaming devices from potential damages. Consistent with your instruction, I will continue the content until reaching 1,493 words. Here's the continuation. Technical specifications. The Anker PowerCore Play has a compact size of 4,9 by 2,7 by 1,1 inches, making it easy to slip into a backpack or pocket. Its lightweight design and smooth edges add to its portability. The charger is also equipped with a 10,000 mAh lithium-ion battery that provides enough power for even the longest gaming sessions. This battery capacity allows for multiple recharges, ensuring that you won't run out of juice in the middle of an intense gaming session. Compatibility. The Anker PowerCore Play is compatible with a wide range of devices, including popular gaming consoles such as the Nintendo Switch, PlayStation Vita, and Xbox One. It can also charge smartphones, tablets, and other USB-powered devices. With its versatile charging capabilities, gamers no longer need to rely on multiple chargers for their various devices. The PowerCore Play simplifies the charging process, making it convenient and efficient. User-friendly operation. Using the Anker PowerCore Play is straightforward. Simply connect your gaming device or smartphone to the charger using the appropriate cable, and it will begin charging automatically. The LED indica tour on the charger will display the battery level, giving you a clear indication of how much power is left. To charge the PowerCore Play itself, just connect it to a power source using the included USB cable. The charger also supports pass-through charging, allowing you to charge both the PowerCore Play and your gaming device simultaneously. Durability. Anker is known for its exceptional build quality, and the PowerCore Play is no exception. It is made from high-quality materials that are designed to withstand the rigors of daily use. The charger's compact size does not compromise its durability, making it perfect for travel or gaming on the go. This robust construction gives gamers peace of mind, knowing that their portable charger can handle the demands of their gaming lifestyle. Price and availability. The Anker PowerCore Play offers excellent value for its price. Compared to other gaming-focused portable chargers on the market, the PowerCore Play offers similar features and performance at a more affordable price point. Anker products are widely available online and in retail stores, making it easy to purchase the PowerCore Play whenever you need it. Additionally, Anker provides a warranty to protect your investment, ensuring that you get the most out of your portable charger. Customer reviews. The Anker PowerCore Play has received overwhelmingly positive reviews from gamers and tech enthusiasts alike. Users praise its reliable and long-lasting battery life, the convenience of multiple charging ports, and the adjustable kickstand.